Wide mouth jars are mainly used in the pharmaceutical, food, and household chemical industry. They don't have an official name, they are those who call them wide mouth bottles, some call them wide mouth jars. These containers are usually 100 ml or larger volume, typically with a minimum 30-40 mm neck size. It is the variety of closures that make this type of jar so popular. It can be bought with a simple screw-on cap, but it is available with caps that are suitable for spraying or dispensing, which is an ideal choice for using in kitchens or bathrooms. The advantage of the wide jars, bottles, is that they can be used over and over again, and it's easier to clean them than other containers with smaller openings. These types of packaging materials are normally used with solid products or high viscosity creams, sought after packaging materials for the storage of beauty products, sports creams, and for the packaging of car care products, pastes, grease, lubricants. Wide mouth jars are popular as packaging for lotions, bath salts, and other bathroom products. In the kitchen, they are ideal for storing sugar, salt, spices, peanut butter, and other spreads or seeds. They are also suitable for home and hobby use. Jewelries, pearls, buttons, nail ornaments, glitters can be stored easily. Further on, ideal choice for storing screws or fishing equipment, such as feeds or baits. If you would like to buy a jar, or especially looking for a wide mouth jar, you will definitely find the most suitable one for you at All In Packaging.